Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. As you all know, due to COVID-19, there has been a lockdown again, due to which we are going to conduct online classes from today onwards. I am your mathematics reasoning teacher. My name is Rajni, and today we will begin with chapter number 1, number series. So let's begin with the lecture number 1 of this chapter. Class 1, reasoning number series, lecture number 1. Today is our lecture number 1. So students, let's start. Students, number series. First of all, we will find out what is number series and what is the meaning of number series. Number, sankhya. Series, shrankla. Sankhya, shrankla. Series of numbers which are generally called the terms of the series is given. These terms follow a certain pattern throughout the series. मैथमेटिक्स के नंबर सीरीज में कुछ नंबर्स को लेफ्ट से राइट में एक पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस में अरेंज किया जाता है. इसमें सभी नंबर्स सेम पैटर्न में चेंज होते हैं. कोई भी डिफरेंट पैटर्न वो फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, सेम पैटर्न में चेंज होते हैं. कभी कभी एक या उससे ज्यादा नंबर्स को सीरीज में रॉन्गली पुट किया जाता है और इस पैटर्न के थ्रू हमें रॉन्ग नंबर्स को फाइंड आउट करना होता है. नंबर सीरीज क्वेश्चंस आर बेस्ड ऑन न्यूमेरिकल सीक्वेंस. नंबर सीरीज के जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो किस पर बेस्ड होते हैं? न्यूमेरिकल सीक्वेंस पर. दैट फॉलो अ कांसेप्ट. A particular series is given from which the pattern must be analyzed. एक particular series आपको दी होती है. You are then asked to predict the next number in the sequence. आप सीक्वेंस में, एक पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस में नंबर की जो सीरीज होती है उन्हीं को आप फॉलो करते हैं. एक ही पैटर्न में आप चलते हैं, कोई डिफरेंट पैटर्न आप फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. Number in this sequence following the same rule, logical rule or pattern. Same rule और logical rule या pattern follow करते हैं. Logical rule तार्किक नियम. एक same rule में आप उस चीज के साथ चलते हैं, कोई भी different pattern आप follow नहीं करते हैं. Okay students? Students, in these types of questions, a numerical series is given in which a number is wrongly placed. You have to identify that number and put a tick on the correct option by observing the given numbers. In these types of question, इस प्रकार के जो questions होते हैं, a numerical series is given. इनके अंदर numerical series आपको दी होती है. In which a number is wrongly placed. इनमें जो numbers होते हैं वो wrongly placed होते हैं. You have to identify. आपको नंबर को पहचानना होता है. That number कि वो नंबर कौन सा है and put a tick. आपको एक टिक करना होता है on the correct option. किस पर? Correct option पर. By observing the given numbers. उन numbers को observe करने के बाद. Students, which is given below. Here is example number 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I will repeat again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And option A, 9. Option B, 6. Option C, 2. And option D, 8. Tell me students, which option is correct? Tell me students. Yes students. Yes. Yes. Option number A, 9. Because each number of this series comes in the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, but here is 9. So option A is correct option. Each number of this series comes in the table of 2 except 9. What is the meaning of except? के अलावा. 9 के अलावा सभी नंबर्स जो हैं 2 की टेबल्स में आते हैं. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, but here is 9. So option A is correct. Then we will tick option A like this. Okay students? Yes, very good. Solution. Each number of this series, each number of this series, each number प्रत्येक नंबर, जो प्रत्येक संख्या of this series, इस सीरीज की, इस श्रृंखला की जो प्रत्येक संख्या है, comes in the table. Comes मतलब आती है in the table of 2. 2 की टेबल में आती है ना स्टूडेंट्स? Yes, except 9. 9 के अलावा. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. But here is 9. Here 9 is wrongly placed. Here 9 is wrongly placed. यहाँ पर जो 9 है ये wrongly placed number है. And it is given in option number. ये कौन से option number पे given है? Option number A. So option number A is correct. Okay students? Very good. So students, this is your today's homework. Homework questions. Identify the number which is wrongly placed and put the tick on the correct option. आपको identify करनी है, पहचान करनी है उन नंबरों की which is wrongly placed, जो wrongly placed है, and put the tick, आपको tick करना है on the correct option. Which option is correct? Then you will tick. Question first. Series here 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Tell me students which option is correct. Then you will tick. And next, question number 2. Here is 12, 14, 16, 18 and 19. Students, like I told you before, कि in these series, in sequence number sequence में एक pattern को follow करते हैं. ये एक pattern को follow करते हैं. Okay students? Then here is option number A 16, B 12, C 18 and D 19 and E 14. And which option is correct? Then you will tick. Okay students? And next is question number 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And options are given. Option A 4, option B 5, option C 7, option D 3 and option E 2. Which option is correct? Then you will tick. Question number 4, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. And options are given. Option A 8, option B 6, option C 11, option D 6, option E 4. Which option is correct? Then you will tick. Okay students? Question number 5. Series is 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. And options are given. Option A 7, option B 10, option C 9, option D 3, option E 5. Which option is correct? Then you will tick. Okay students? So students, this is the end of your today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed your lecture and please complete your homework on time. Be safe and secure at your places. Thank you. Have a nice day students.